Hello, good morning, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're having a good day. This is our short trip to actually day trip to Murray. So a couple of days back we went to Murray. So started from Islamabad to covering Murray. So we had a good time. We had lunch there and then we came back as well in like around 7 we were back home. So we had a very good time. So thought to share with you so you can be a part of our journey as well. So my in-laws had come, so we had a really good time. Then at 12 o'clock, around 12 o'clock, we left for Murray. So we got there like around 2ish, 2:15 because there was too much rush. So we had to wait. So this is where we were passing almost near Islamabad Gymkhana. A little before Islamabad Gymkhana, there's this Ramada Hotel and lodge and different inn and stuff like that where people come and stay. So I thought I should cover that as well. So you can see Ramada as well. So we're just passing through here and we're going towards Murray. So this is we're just crossing trees and Islamabad Club, and this area has so much greenery over here. So I really like that part of Islamabad where there's a lot of greenery and lush garden. So this is where we were near a petrol station, but they had too much rush, so we just had to leave without it. So later on we got it from another pump. So we just kept on moving from there towards. So everybody was talking in the car and we were having a good time. Kids had chips and juices with them. So it was a lovely drive. So everybody had a very good time. They all enjoyed. So here's the start of the mountains. You can see them far ahead. So clouds were really cloudy. So it was really windy. It was hot, no doubt, and very humid at the same time. But it was really, really cloudy. So we had a good time enjoying all that. Though we were sitting in the air conditioned car, but we were still enjoying, the mountains and the scenery and everything. So apparently the mountains are a rare sight. So I really love mountains. I don't know about you, but you can tell me in the comments below. So if you really like mountains, because I really like that part of Islamabad, you know. The mountains were so beautiful, mixed with the clouds. I will show you later. So you can really enjoy that scene as well. So hope you guys also like mountains because this is a very good driveway towards Murray, and you can go forward as well to Nathia Gali and God knows where, because I've never been to. I always go to Murray, but I always come back from Murray as well, though I would like to go to Nathia Gali as well sooner or later. So in between the kids started fighting, so we had to just dodge them, because they can't sit for longer periods in the car. So after a while they just start to move here and there, and so we told them to see the mountains and the rocks fall, and told them about the landsliding as well. So which doesn't happen that often, but in winters it does. So you never know. We should always be safe. So I hope this disease goes away soon. So the people can actually like move around freely, and it's a very beautiful place for one to go to and stay a day or two when it's not like all rushy, and it's not that cold, which it is in December and January, but otherwise it's a really nice sight. So this is the start of the mountains. Now we're climbing, so you can see the clouds now. It was really beautiful while we were climbing up. So here we can see the clouds merging with the mountains, and they look so beautiful. Now it was the cold weather starting, so we pulled down our windows. So there was such a cold wind, not too cold but very windy at the same time. So it was really cool, and we were really enjoying it because it was really hot down in Islamabad. So it was really interesting. So here we were moving, but we saw somebody getting out of the car. He was just raising a flag. So the kids enjoyed, they had a good time. They have never seen such things. So we were moving towards the hills and enjoying the scenery as well as the winds that were coming. It was a very good drive, but then we got stuck in the traffic, which was very, very slow, deadly slow. So we were just moving with them slowly. And then we parked a car in the garage, and then we walked from there because it was too crowded to get the cars moving all the time. So this is where we got stuck in the traffic, and we almost reached Murray. So we had to wait a while and then park the car. But this was breathless, like totally breathless. So we were waiting for my husband here, me and my in-laws. So half of them were moving forward, but we were still waiting. So here everybody is hungry, so they're just moving to going to the restaurant. So everybody is moving. Somebody is moving a little too slow. Somebody is moving a little too fast. So my son is moving with his cousin. So they're all moving towards Osmania. At that point, we were really hungry because it was very late. It was like I think 3 plus, no, almost 3. So we just had to hurry. So here we were waiting for our food. We sat at Osmania restaurant on Mall Road in Murray. But it was not up to the mark. Maybe it just opened, so maybe that was the case. But anyway, kids enjoyed. We had a very good time. We ate the food, then we left. And this is our leaving the restaurant. And then we went down and walked a bit on the Mall Road. As you can see now, we're down here on the Mall Road. So the kids wanted a ride on the buggy, but they had a little disagreement, I think. So they were just not that happy. So this was the buggy car everybody sat on, but we didn't sit because we were in a hurry. It was getting late and we had to go back as well. So it was kind of a short trip, but enjoyable at the same time. So we walked on the Mall Road, watched people moving here and there. It's a bit too crowded. So it should not be that crowded, but it is. So that's my daughter and my son on the left. So they're just moving forward because we have to get to the car as soon as possible because it's way too crowded now. So we just about. So this was a spot where we all took pictures and some good moments. So let's see. So apparently it was really beautiful, the clouds and the trees merging onto each other. So I really want to sit there and enjoy it, but it was a little too late for that. So we just had to go back. So I just loved being there, the weather, the trees and everything was just perfect. So now we are leaving Murray, so it's like getting a little bit dark. So bye bye, see you soon next time, take care.